Hey, it's me again. This time I'm battling him, and I might just win. I mean, this crit, if you actually get him, he is excellent. I would suggest doing that, because it heals him plus 15, and I am kicking his A with him.
Get a comment on that? No. On the way you're dressed, it appears some sort of sexual transaction.
Just keep on using Unbreakable. Now, I use 2 Mescrits just to weaken him, but Unbreakable seems to be doing really good.
You and your husband are swimming credit card debt. You've refinanced your house 3 times in the past 2 years, and you even had a car repossessed. You hit a rough patch. Why? Where'd the money go?
Dan's a professional gambler. He has his ups and downs. You know, doesn't end a business.
Jessica, your father was watching this video the night he died. What does that make you think?
I don't know.
Makes me think this video has something to do with that.
And, no, I just wanted to record that. The volcano is $1 now, if you do not know that. But I'd suggest getting a full team of level 30s before exploring it. Okay, bye.